Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sandbox. I am Lina and it's 7:30 in the morning and I am off to my college. So I thought why not to share my everyday makeup with you guys. So if you are interested in watching, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without a further ado, let's get started. Okay, so guys, now I have a clean face. I didn't apply anything. Now, for the moisturizer, I am using this Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. I use it on a daily basis. It's so light and it's non-greasy at all. Okay, so next I'm going to apply my lip balm. To moisturize my lips. After that, I'm going to apply this Patanjali Aloe Vera Gel as my primer. So summers have already started and my makeup gets ruined in the summers. So yeah, it's about to finish. It's not coming out. After a long struggle, I got this amount of aloe vera gel. I'm going to refill it by today. Now I'm going to apply focusing on my T-zone area to my whole face and also onto my neck. It keeps your makeup for around 4 to 5 hours. So yeah. So next I'm going to apply the Ponds BB cream. I really don't use any foundation or something on a daily basis. So yeah, I'm going to just, this much product is enough. Now I'm going to apply it by dot dot. This is what I called it, onto my whole of the face and neck. It gives a nice natural base. So yeah, now I'm just going to use a wet beauty blender and blend it really well in a dabbing motion. You just have to dab it with this sponge specially, because otherwise the product will be in the sponge and not at your face. Onto your face. So it's blended now. So I have some pigments over here and here. I'm going to just take a little bit amount of the BB cream, just a little bit, and we'll apply onto areas where I have some pigment. It works as a concealer also. Now again I'm going to blend it. I think it's good now. Just a little bit more blending. If any creases will happen on something. So yeah, now the base is done. I'm just going to apply this Blue Heaven Artisto Face Stylist Compressed Powder because I have a combination skin. I'm just using this normal sponge. So now I am done. So next I'm going to apply this Stay Quirky Badass Kajal Badass onto my waterline. If you want a review of this, let me know. This kajal is exclusively available on purple.com and it's jet black and very much pigmented. I'm just going to smoke out a little bit near my lower lash line. Little bit, just a little bit, to give my eyes a bold look. As you can see, can you see this? As my eyes are short, so I prefer kajal more than liner. Liner can make your eyes look small and kajal bold. So yeah, next I'm just going to apply more. Next I'm just going to apply mascara. For this I'm using this Blue Heaven I See You mascara. The label is gone. It's that liner plus mascara. The review of this product is in the description box. If you haven't checked out, do check out. It's that liner over here and the mascara over here. It's suitable for daily basis. Just pop out. Just applied a little bit. So yeah, I'm done with the mascara too. And lastly, I'm just going to apply a lipstick. It's the ELLE Color Pop Matte, but it's not completely matte. It's semi-matte. This is the shade. I will just swatch it for you. This is the shade. The shade name is Pink Curve P29. It's a nice coral pink, I guess. On a daily basis, I just apply a semi-matte lipstick because the matte lipstick doesn't work for me that much. If you want a review of this also, let me know. So yeah, I'm done with the lipstick too. So that's my completed look. Okay, so that's it for this video. If this video was helpful and interesting enough, then like this video, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.